Hi everyone, this is Gloria and welcome to our channel. This is the third video that we are doing, and like I said before, we are going to learn about computers. I guess we have learned from the two previous channels, we have learned many things. So in this video we are going to learn about how to open a Microsoft Word on a computer. But I can give a recap on the last video that we made, where I was teaching about the start button, the toolbar, the file management apps, the folders and files. So when you go, I'm just giving a recap, so I'm going to be faster. So you come here, the start button, it's going to show you, it's going to bring applications. That is the start button. So immediately you power on a computer, you are going to come to the start button, which is at the left bottom of a computer. Then we talked about the toolbar, where all these applications are, where there is VLC, there is Explorer, there is Camtasia, there is File Explorer, then there is Word, there is Chrome. Actually all these files that are down are found on the taskbar. These ones, even the start button is found on the taskbar. So now when we go, we are going to talk about also the folders. The folders are found, for example, Wednesday, for example, recycle bin, control panel, all these folders are found on the desktop, and this is what we call the desktop. And the desktop harbors everything. It harbors the folders, the files, the taskbar, the start button. And then now, as I've finished recapping, so we are going to talk about the Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word is found on the taskbar. Some computers already have it down here, the folder, but others, you go to the start button here. In other computers, if it's not on the taskbar, then you have to go to the start button. So let's get started, because our Microsoft Word is already on the taskbar, which is an easy thing. So we are going to tap the Microsoft Word. We are launching the Microsoft Word. So when it opens, we are going to get blank document, which is the blank document. There is adjacency, letter, report, resume, but we are not going to look at all that. We are only going to look at the blank documents, because we are finding out how to create a Word document and then how to save it. So we are creating a Microsoft Word. So we open the blank document. After opening the blank document, so we now have to write, for example, my name is Gloria Bridget. Okay. I am a Christian. I come from Bale. Maybe you can say I am a Ugandan. I am a Ugandan. So all this is recorded on your Microsoft Word. So we have already finished. We know how to create it. We have already opened the document. Now after you writing all this, you can decide you go to home, maybe you want to design on Microsoft Word still. So I'm going to highlight all this. I'm going to highlight all this because I want to put it, maybe I want to put it in maybe 16 for okay, 24, maybe let's use 30. Okay, I want everyone to see. I'm doing a Word document. I want mine there like that. and then the design, I come to design. So in Word document gives us various things. It gives us home. Home is when you can find all these applications. Maybe you want to center, you want to arrange. So there is also insert. This is insert. Maybe if you want to insert a header, footer, you want to design, you want the page layout that includes the page numbers, then you want the references, mailings. So now I'm going to teach you how to find out how to save a document. How are we going to save a document? After us doing this, I guess my heart wants to do this, or if anything, if you want to type anything, you can. So we are going to go to file. So we are finished creating, we are finished writing, we have finished everything, right, designing, putting page numbers. So now we are going to open, we are going to save as, because we need our document, we need to identify it in the near future, where we're going to come as save as. Shall open, then it's going to bring computer. So when you are saving, you're going to find two. You're going to find documents or desktop, but you can't save in documents because it's okay, it's a document, but you need it on desktop for easy identification. So we shall come to desktop, and then we shall save. For example, I'm going to save mine as Gloria Bridget. Then I save. I've saved my document as Gloria Bridget. As you can see, Gloria Bridget, meaning if I close the Microsoft Word, it's still going to show me Gloria Bridget. When I want to access it in an easier way, I'll just come okay, for example, I've closed. So I want to go back and maybe edit my work or do anything or add any information on it. So I'll come on Gloria Bridget. I will open up the Word. As you see, it is opening. And I've already created my Microsoft Word. Computer learning computer is very easy. I urge you, my friends, students, everyone around the globe, please, as you're listening to this, get some information how to open up a computer, how to write, how to do a Microsoft. It is easy because it has many advantages. I want to thank you all. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for turning on. Thank you for subscribing. And please tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the channel, and then so that they can hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Amen.